So far, everything we've done had a little glitch in it, right? Nothing went 100% straightforward. Hey, it's Rob, and welcome to Axel's Garage. All right, we're working on the Big Dummies K5. The big dummy's behind the camera.
You big dummy.
The little big dummy's working today, so he's not here helping us.
You big dummy.
But we're getting it all ready, and we're making a video on how to remove these door locks. Now, these door locks are real inexpensive. If you get a new set, we're going to get the big dummy a new set of black ones, because he wants all black trim. He wants to get rid of the chrome. So we're going to get new black ones, new keys. Is that the same as the glove? You have a glove box key or not? No,
I've never had one. No. There's one for the center.
Console, but it doesn't work.
Yeah.
So we're going to try to make all the keys work. Well, we're going to get this one out in the meantime because we got to get all the trim off. So the wrap hopefully will get done this week. So we just need, this is the last thing we need to get off to get the wrap off. So we'll make a little quick video to get the wrap ready for wrap. Make a little quick video on how to get these out. It really shouldn't be too difficult. So we're going to open the door. We don't have any door handles, so we're going to do it our own way. We just grab this and pull it up, and the door opens up. So you got this door lock, and on the inside of the door, right in here, Robbie, if you can get that with a camera, where the door lock pokes through, there is a big C-style clamp, or it's really a U, but it's a big clamp that slides, and if you come back out like this, no, you're trying to get in there? Mm-hmm. All right. Now, if you come back on me, it's a big clamp that's a U, so let's call it a U like this. And here's the door lock, and it clamps on it like that to hold the door lock in. There's a groove in the door lock. So what you got to do is you got to grab that either with a pair of pliers. There's a little lip on it on this end, so you're either going to grab with a pair of pliers here and pull it out, or you are going to take a screwdriver and put it in there and pry that way and pop it off. You're not going to reuse the clip, so don't worry about if you're getting a new lock cylinder, I should say, you're not going to reuse the clip.
Can you turn off my car first?
You want me to turn off your car?
You left it on.
All right, so if you're going to reuse the clip, then you want to take care. But if you're putting a new lock cylinder in, all right, I don't know how good that came out on the video. There's a glare and it's dark in there, but this was pretty much on the door lock, on the end of the door lock, and all I did was, the door lock is poking through like that. I put the screwdriver in between and just pried against the door lock, and this thing pops right off. If you do happen to damage it, they're readily available at any of the big box part stores. So with that off, this door lock should be loose. Ours isn't loose because it's probably painted in place. All right, and there we go. So now, this is going to come, you're going to turn it like that, it's sort of a jigsaw puzzle, and it's going to go right in. Now, there is a flat piece of metal on the inside of the door that comes down like about right here, and there's a rectangular hole in the middle of it. And this fits right in that rectangular hole. So that's when you're putting it in, you're going to fish up and in, get it into that rectangular hole, and that's all this is. This thing rides in that rectangular hole, and when you turn the key, it moves it back and forth. That's how it works. That's it. We're done with that. All right, there is a little gasket on this as well. If you're replacing the same exact one, if you want to get a new clip or a new gasket, they're readily available at the at Mosul. Unlike the help rack, where they have all the little clips and gaskets and stuff, that's where you'll find this stuff. But if you buy a new set from any of the resto companies, I don't know if GM even makes these available yet. They still might be with GM. The new one will come with new locks, new keys, new clips, and new gaskets. The only thing you got to save is going to be this piece here. And this piece is clipped on with this clip right here, this metal clip, right? And you're going to put this piece and the metal clip on your new lock cylinder. So that's it. I think the lock cylinders run about $15 to $20 for a set. They get them in chrome or stainless and black. And we're going to go with the black ones because the big dummy's doing all black accents on this truck as we move along with it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.